Hi, welcome. So I recently found out that there are many entrepreneurs who want to build their own business or start their own business, but they fail because they don't have any idea or they don't know which topic they should start on. So today's video, I'm going to help you in generating a perfect business idea so that you can work on and it perfectly matches your skills. This video is not going to be a video like other videos on YouTube that will help you in listing top 15 business ideas. This video is going to be different. So without wasting any more time, let's get started with this. And hey guys, I'm Shivam and welcome to Starterworks. Step 1. Identify your skills. You need to identify what your skills are, what are the top 5 skills that you can do it perfectly, that you can work on and you can keep upgrading yourself in that. So first point is take a piece of paper, identify your skills, write it down, then make a list which are the top 5 skills that you can work on and you can make it or run a business based on those skills. Point number 2, identify your niche that matches your skill. So if you fail in identifying the right niche that matches your skill, in the long run, you will lose interest in doing the business and your competition will take over. So for the long run, you need to feel motivated, you need to keep your morale high and you need to understand the work that you are doing. So you need to find a niche that's going to match your skill so that you can keep doing your work perfectly and smoothly. Point number 3, you need to research your niche market. Once you've targeted what your niche market is, you need to give a detailed research report to yourself about it, because if you don't know about the market and you don't know who are the competitors and you don't know how the market operates, then it will be a big trouble for you in the initial stage as well as in the long run. So make a detailed report about the research that you are going to perform on this particular market. Once you get the report in hand, you will know how the market operates, you will know who are the competitors, you will know what are the problems you may face in the long run and how you will survive in the market. Now I believe that you have a detailed report about the market you are going to target. Now point number 4 comes in, that you have to identify the problem the market is facing. Now while you are identifying, you will get a numerous problem. Let's take an example of supply chain management. Supply chain management face many problems such as delays in delivery, less facilities in logistics and warehousing systems, and there's no automation. So there's many problems this market is currently facing, especially in B2B. So suppose you are working or targeting a B2B segment, so you need to come up with an idea or a solution that's going to be a scalable one, and you need to validate that idea. And here comes the most important stage, which is point number 5, developing the idea. Developing the idea means working on creating an MVP, which is minimum viable product. You need to build an MVP so that you can get feedback from your initial customers that they like the product or not. What are the feedback they're providing will be the most valuable thing that you need to consider to develop the product in the future stages. Video guys, let's understand it better by a quick recap. So initially, you need to understand what your skills are, you need to work on them. Once you've understood what your skills are, you need to find a niche market that matches with the skills. Once you find a niche market, research about the market, that how it operates, what you should do, what you shouldn't, what you should avoid and all. Once it's done, think about the problems the market is facing, do a research about that. Once you find the problems, come up with a solution that's going to be scalable one. Once you come up with a solution, develop the idea or develop the product or the service that you're working on. Try to create an MVP, which is minimum viable product, and try to get the feedback from the initial customers. So that's it for today's video guys. I hope you have understood what I was trying to say, and if you have any doubt or you want me to make a video on any particular topic, DM me in my Instagram, link is provided down in the description box. I will make a video as soon as I can. And also, you know what to do with the red button down there, right? Hit it and subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss out any of my videos, and also press the bell icon so that YouTube can send you notification every time I post a new video. So I will see you guys in the next video. Until then, bye.